Your belt sander's dust bag attaches to the dust nozzle. The dust nozzle allows the bag to pivot so you can position it as needed while sanding. The plastic nozzle is clamped between the sander's housings. The nozzle can be accidentally damaged if the sander is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the dust nozzle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the sander. With the cover removed, I can remove the dust nozzle. There's an O-ring on the dust nozzle that I'll need to transfer to the new one. Now I can place the nozzle back into the housing. I'll replace the fan shroud and the side cover. And I'll secure the cover with the screws. And that's how simple it is to install a new dust nozzle on your belt sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.